how to use your orders. Hi, I'm Muriel, and with Crazy Rides, Johan and I want to share the fun of road tripping with you. In our video, how to use the Crazy Rides planning tool, we have showed you how you can plan your own road trip using the tours and rides that we have available. In this video, we're going to show you what the contents of your Crazy Rides road trip and orders are and how to use it. After you have placed your order and your payment has gone through, you can log in via My Account. In My Account, you've got different tiles and you can go to My Orders, My Profile for your info, first name, last name, email address and country, a quick link to the how-to videos, the checkout if you still have another order waiting, my password to change your password if necessary, and log out. In this video, I'm going to My Orders. In My Orders, not surprisingly, you will find your orders. And they are organized by the dates that you've placed your order on. As you can see, I have two orders, one with the dates, one without the dates. For this example, I will use the order without the dates. To open a specific order, click on the number or the orange button, and you will get to the overview of the rides in this order. In this case, ride 1 of the Chocolate and Beer Tour, the connection route between Bruges and Haarlem, and ride 1 and 3 of the Clogs and Windmills Tour. By clicking on the name or again the orange button, you will get to the actual content. First, you will find information on the tour, the link to the video of the tour, and the link to the download of the PDF on the central point, in this case Bruges, with its recommended accommodation. For the ride, you will also find a link to the video, to the PDF, and the download of the GPX file. The GPX file contains a route, a total track, and, if you want to make sure not to miss any of the stops we recommend in the rides, tracks per part of the ride. You will find the same information on all the rides. First, information on the tour, and then information on the ride. The connect-in route contains a PDF and a link to the GPX file. If you would like to get an idea of the ride, we've added this button, which brings you to the Google Maps and will show you the actual ride. Below the map, you will also find a list with points of interest. This list contains all the recommended accommodation in this tour and the stops for the ride. By clicking on the name or the orange button, a new page will open with a Google search. Please note that for the stops we have added the name of the tour, so if you do a Google search, it won't give you the hits that you want to. So delete the name and do a new Google search and you will find all the information that you need. Like I said, we have a separate video on how to add dates to your rides when you are planning a road trip, so you will get an itinerary with your order, like this one. Well, have fun with it, and if you have any question that is not answered in our how-to videos yet, contact us by email info@crazyrides.com or through our contact page in the menu. If you haven't watched our video on how to use the Crazy Rides planning tool, you can do so by clicking on the video in the middle of your screen. And if you want to help us in our mission to share the tips, tricks and fun of road tripping with as many bikers as possible, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.